The Mughal Empire. Expansion of the Mughal Empire. The Mughal Empire, founded by Babur in 1526 after his victory at the Battle of Panipat. Initially expanded rapidly across the Indian subcontinent. Key rulers during this period included Babur, 1526 to 1530. Foundation. Babur, a descendant of Timur and Genghis Khan, founded the Mughal Empire after defeating Ibrahim Lodi at the First Battle of Panipat in 1526. This victory marked the beginning of Mughal rule in India. Conquests. Following his initial victory, Babur expanded his control over Delhi and Agra. He faced challenges from regional powers, including the Rajputs and Afghan chieftains, but successfully consolidated power through military prowess and strategic alliances. Humayun, 1530 to 1540, 1555 to 1556. Setbacks and recovery. Humayun faced significant challenges during his reign, including being ousted by Sher Shah Suri of the Suri dynasty. After years in exile, he regained the throne with Persian support in 1555. Cultural contributions. His reign was marked by efforts to restore Mughal authority and cultural integration, although he struggled with governance. Akbar, 1556 to 1605. Golden Age. Akbar is often regarded as the greatest Mughal emperor. He expanded the empire significantly through military conquests and diplomacy, bringing most of northern India under control. Administrative reforms. He established a centralized administrative system and introduced policies promoting religious tolerance, which helped integrate diverse populations. His Mansabdari system organized military and civil services effectively. Cultural flourishing. Akbar's reign saw advancements in art, architecture, example, Fatehpur Sikri, and literature, promoting a rich cultural synthesis. Jahangir, 1605 to 1627. Continuation of policies. Jahangir continued Akbar's policies but focused more on personal interests such as art and culture. His reign is noted for patronage of the arts. Challenges. Although he maintained stability, internal conflicts began to surface, particularly with the rise of regional powers like the Sikhs. Shah Jahan, 1628 to 1658. Architectural achievements. Known for monumental constructions like the Taj Mahal, Shah Jahan's reign was marked by prosperity and cultural achievements. Military campaigns. He expanded the empire further into the Deccan region but faced increasing challenges from regional powers. Aurangzeb, 1658 to 1707. Maximum expansion. Aurangzeb presided over the empire at its greatest geographical extent, extending Mughal control into southern India. Religious policies. His imposition of stricter Islamic laws and heavy taxation on non-Muslims led to widespread discontent and revolts among various communities, including the Marathas and Sikhs. Decline begins. The latter part of his reign saw increasing resistance from regional powers and internal strife that weakened central authority. By the late 17th century, the Mughal Empire controlled almost the entire Indian subcontinent, characterized by a rich blend of cultures and significant economic activity.